And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling awesome. What? Blessed and highly favored. So guys, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing great. I hope that your week, your month, and your year so far has been going effectively or according to plan. And if not, it's just growing pains, man, and that is just okay. That's literally fine. So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look. It won't literally be a tutorial, but it will literally just be me doing my hair and taking you guys with me, right? I am on my period. I have the worst period pains that a person could even think of. I hate them down. In addition to all of that, my hair's a mess. It's been like this for a while now. It's gonna get to a point where it's just like dreads, right? So basically, I think it was about a week ago. About a week. It's not a week and a couple of days ago. I had to wash my hair, right? So I washed my hair and then I did these mini twist outs. Right? So I did these mini twist outs. They're not that mini, thank goodness, because I don't like that. But I did these twist outs and I kind of want to braid them right now. I want to braid them. I want to fix the parting and then I want to braid. But the thing is, it's not just going to be like normal braiding hair. It's going to be purple. And I have not done that in a while. I'm going to do that today because I just want something to do, honestly. And I have not filmed in a long time. Okay, boom. So, as you guys can see, like my hair was ready to dread up. I was not gonna not be okay with, like, I wasn't gonna be mad at it, basically. I wasn't gonna be mad at it. I was gonna be okay with the fact that, oh, you know, dreads or no dreads, like, here's here. So I had tried to utilize this at some point, really struggling to deal with this fiber. Hence, she was like, okay, it's fine, I'll just take you to a hair salon and then we'll get your hair done, because I had to go to my friend Titi's place, right? So that happened, and then I just had to like roll this up and leave it like this. So eco gel from the last time I did my hair, petroleum jelly to moisturize the hair, because like, why not? This old flippin' toothbrush to like properly section on my hair and like brush whatever I need to brush. My favorite Braiding comb, like I love this comb so much. I literally had a dream that it snapped and my heart broke. Can't no, it's perfectly fine. a claw clip, because my very famous, infamous, whatever you call it, hard mirror, and a heater, because gabanda. The blanket, I was gonna use it, but no. Crochet hook, just in case. I don't know if I'm gonna need it, but just in case. So yeah, I am gonna speak to you guys when I'm like halfway done, or like halfway to a good start, right? So long I'll be watching Poetic Justice. I have never watched Poetic Justice. Judge me, it's okay. I have never watched it. This is my first time actually watching it. I've heard of it, I've heard parts of it, and I was looking intrigued, but never really got myself to watch it. So here I am watching it, and I was like, also, I started watching, what's this thing called? 50 Shades, about 10 years after it came out. I did not enjoy that movie. I don't know the hype. I don't understand the hype. I literally like stopped watching it halfway through, and I was like, yeah, no, I want to delete this off my page. I deleted all 3 of them. I didn't even watch the other 2. Like, I had downloaded them, right, to watch them, all of them, because someone I know was speaking about. I was like, I wonder what is the fuss over this movie. Downloaded it. I was like, yeah, no. This is why my blood did not want me to watch this. I was just like, So that's just that. By the way, I want to do a mini update with you guys. Not necessarily an update, but a get to know me tag because like, why not? So if you have any questions, do DM me or yeah, DM me actually on Instagram, on TikTok, on WhatsApp if you have my numbers, or just leave a comment down in the comment section below. And that's just that, and that is the back of my head. It's just because I think you guys already know the whole process, the parting, etc. etc. So like, yeah, I think we're cool. I don't know if I actually want these to be dreads or what. I think I want them to be dreads. Let's just see how this goes. So this is first attempt number one, and I did a dread because last month I did singles, so I decided on the spot actually to say, hey, let's do something different. And I don't know, mind you, I said I'm gonna keep this for a week or two. I promise I'm gonna deal with this. I'm gonna fix this, okay? So before you even say anything or roast me in the comments, I'm gonna deal with it. Don't worry. But yeah, so I have to do these other three. This one is a bit too tight, but I'm gonna try to do these other three, and then we'll just have to see. Hopefully I finish. Hopefully I finish. Pray that I finish, please. Yeah. Another done, another done. Anyway, so yeah, yeah, how the braids are looking. Like these are dreads after oral, so they're allowed to have freedom of expression. They're allowed to look, different and diverse. So I'll come back to you guys when I'm done, but this is how it looks. And then I don't know if you guys can see properly, especially because of the lighting, but I decided to continue. I was gonna stop midway, I promise, but I decided to continue. Alright, so y'allsies, so I've made it to a certain extent. It's late. We're cooking supper only now. That's how my mom. We're cooking supper only now and it's like 9, right? So I literally watched the movie, and I watched another movie. And I think, I don't know, 3 movies perhaps? I don't know, don't judge. But here I am. My part is not straight, as you guys can see. It is more leaning towards like this side. No, this side actually, which is not what I would prefer. If my part was not to be straight, I would have liked it to lean more towards the side instead of the side, but it is what it is. And my freeform not freeform dreads, sorry, my bad, but my colorful, unique looking dreads the way they are. I'm cooking, guys, and I'm gonna burn the hake, so let me get going.
Tomorrow.
Perhaps am I seeing things? I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like it actually. Like, I don't like it. I don't like the color initially. Like, I just wanted to utilize this fiber because I might as well just utilize it. But I don't like the color. I don't like the color. I don't like the color. I don't like the color, number 1. Number 2, this was the most difficult fiber to utilize. Perhaps I'll try using this fiber again, but with a different hairstyle, and that's cool. I can do that. Sharp. Like, I can do the molly twist, the thick molly twist, using those braids, that fiber, and making them extremely long. I can do that. I'm okay with that, right? Manje lana, guys. Oh, girl. I don't know what to do. I don't even think I can put this in hot water to make it. And I feel like that's things like I feel like I'm gonna ruin it if I decide that, hey, let me just And I tried braiding the ends. I tried using a straightener because I felt like perhaps that'd be safer than, you know, braiding the ends. I got a matchstick, didn't work. I looked for the lighter, couldn't find it. So this is the end result. Guys, please do let me know, the ones that actually constantly play with their hair and do different hairstyles, use all the different fibers. Do let me know what you guys would use to make this dread look. Trial and error. Thank goodness I got no plans. Because I would, if I had plans, I would have definitely cancelled them. Because ain't no way I'm leaving the house like this. It's not bad, but I don't like it. You get. So guys, so I just looked back at my footage. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Like, I don't hate it. It's not that bad. I think it's serving its purpose as its hairstyle, because it was supposed to be like I said, a distressed, you know, funky, colorful, weird, out of the hair hairstyle, and I think it served its purpose. And I think, you know, mind you, when I had decided to do this out, it was like my second day of my period, second or first day, I don't know, between the two, and like I was just not feeling okay, and I just wanted to distract myself from my period pains, hence I decided to do something productive. But then it's too untidy for my liking. Like, perhaps I might dress it up after I'm done with my periods, because right now, guys, I don't want to wear nothing. I genuinely don't want to wear anything. I don't really love it. I'm not in love with it. But you wouldn't have known if I hadn't told you, considering the way that I acted. Right. Sometimes it's all about the confidence. Sometimes it's literally all about the confidence and nothing more and nothing less. You just need to feel the vibe, be the vibe, and lick the vibe. Like, inherently, you look like you're loving it, right? And I just don't like this hairstyle. You wouldn't have known though if I got this like, I should go back into acting, eh? I definitely will. So untidy. So it's been 4 days since I've had this hairstyle on, and I'm ready to take it off. I am ready. I'm ready to take it off. And yeah. Yeah, it was nice. It was fun when it lasted, but now, I already took out the other ones. It was fun when it lasted, but now it's time to take them off. Like I told you guys already, I didn't like the fact that they were untidy and stuff. So yeah, they're coming off. And I think one thing I like about these, they're so easy to take off, because I just need to look for the knot. I think I cut off my hair. Oh, I thought I got my hair. I was gonna cry. I was literally gonna cry. But then also I was gonna be okay with it. I was like, okay, if the hair doesn't want to stay, we can just delete it and cut the rest of it off. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that this hairstyle did not last long. I said I was gonna keep it for like 2 weeks, and I forgot that I actually adore how I appear to myself. It's not even about how others perceive me. I just want to look neat and put together. Hair's out finally. I'm gonna wash it, you know. My hair's finally out. I don't know when was the last time I saw my hair, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys will just give me other hairstyle ideas that I can try to do. But other than that, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Thank you so much. Love you loads. So yeah, see you in my next one. Bye. It's a beautiful dress. I love the fact that it's like strapless, I think. Like, those who know me know that I'm a bodycon girly.